Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the F10 Fat Burner by Advanced Genetics. So this is an incineration formula. It says motor performance, cognitive performance, and alertness and wakefulness. Field tested, science proven. So recommended use to temporarily promote alertness and wakefulness to enhance cognitive performance, helps temporarily relieve fatigue, to promote endurance, and to enhance motor performance. Antioxidant. Cool. So per one capsule, and they say to take 2 capsules, but I'll give the 1 capsule. We get the incineration formula, which is 745 milligrams, which 250 milligrams being quercetin, which is a flower bud. It's a blood vessel protector. You also got 150 milligrams of green tea, 147 milligrams of caffeine, 100 milligrams of dendrobium noble, which is a type of flower, 25 milligrams of red pepper, which has capsium in it, and 20 milligrams of synephrine. So not terrible for a fat burner. It's got caffeine, which is gonna be one of the most beneficial things in it, and a few other things. It's a little bit unique to the F10 Fat Burner. So it's a little better than some of the other fat burners. You do not need a fat burner though, but if you're looking for something that's gonna give you a little bit of an extra boost, this is good for promoting wakefulness because it does have caffeine in it. So this might be something that's nice for you if you find that you don't have a way to get caffeine in, like coffee. F10 might be a good one for you. So I'm gonna give the F10 Fat Burner by Advanced Genetics a 7 out of 10. Not too bad for a fat burner. Not necessary, but it can be a nice boost if you find that you're a little bit tired, need some more wakefulness, and it'll provide a little bit of fat burning as well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.